Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and installing your new defaults. When all of your apps are ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In Settings, you need to scroll down to access Apps section. Then select Choose Default Apps at the top and click on one of those sections, in my case, Browser app. Now just tap on the new one that you wish to apply, and when you're ready, go back. So when I do that, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!